It's on for young and old up here. Look at this. Chaos. Right, old mate's up on his max tracks now. We've got another one stuck here. What's next? The ICZ D-Max looks alright, doesn't look bad. This one here looks like he's going to struggle to get going. This one's on the max tracks, he'll get going alright.
Good? Alright, you feel? Yep. Alright.
There you go, the instruction is full send to the right. Let's see what happens there. Just gas it, he says. Let's see. We've got a crew pushing him, we've got Maxie's in there, he'll be right. Piece of cake. Easy. All the revs. There we go, it's better. Here we go, the 80 series is up on the Maxies now.
I'm fogged again. Oh, really?
Oh, he's fogged again down the hill. He's away. So we've still got one sitting there waiting. We've got two down here on the side waiting. Apparently, old mate going downhill got bogged down here. I don't know what's going on there. Righto, clearing the cars out down the bottom there. The FJ rolling back here like it's nothing. Drive around a car park. And then we'll get this Mitzi with all the turbo going on. Oh, damn it. Phone's too hot. There we go. You got going again now. Oh, listen to this. Ah, yeah. Love the number plate. Stock-ish. And then the exact opposite. Deluxe-y sounding stock as a rock. Plain sound coming out of that thing. Just doesn't stop here at Ngkala. Plenty of speed, he'll get around there. Oh yeah. Piece of cake. Listen to it. Oh, did they just stop? The Raptor. Cruising through easy. Oh mate, he was trying it in two-wheel drive, didn't get far. But a Raptor come past him. Jeez, it was close. Oh, what's going on there? He's just digging in. Not working out too well for the Raptor. Tried to do it in two-wheel drive and now he's struggling in four. Righto, Raptor lines up for a second attempt. Got all the power and all the tyre. He's struggling there though. lots of instructions getting chanted in different languages here. I'm not sure what's going on there, but window goes up. Here he goes. He's got the speed this time. We go next. GU Patrol making it look easy. Just idling through there. And Nav. Nice little setup on the back. Now what do we got next? Luxy. Yeah, bash that limiter. Next one through. Luxy making it look easy. It's amazing, isn't it? Some people really struggle. Some people just cruise through. What's the difference, do you reckon? Righto, so there's been some cars bogged at the other end. I haven't gone out there to film it, it's too far to go.
Alex, do you want to go over?
The Prado's having second thoughts down here.
Guess we got to come back too.
Oh, he's giving it to it. That's how to do it. Can't be scared. There we go. Nice change. Looking good. Got to carry speed around that bend. Ew. Go the Ranger. Into it. Yeah, he's carrying enough speed. He'll get around there. Next one. The Mitzi. Go the Mitzi. Yeah, he'll get it done. He'll be right. Luxy with all the gear on the back. Oh, he's losing speed. Oh, he's losing speed. He might just get there. A little bit further, a little bit further. He's got to get to the top of that hill. Yeah, he'll be right, he'll be right. Yeah, he needs to build some momentum to get up around that bend. Ew. Yep, I can still hear revs. He's still moving. Sounds good. He's made it. Go the Isuzu. Into it with the D-Max. Yeah, making it easy. The Patrol with all the noise. Don't let off, mate. Don't let off. Yeah, he's going to be right. Oh, the Prado's into it.
That could have been you. That could have been it. It could be me. Full auto second, yeah?
Next one's thinking about it. He's unsure. Ew. Making it easy. Absolutely perfect day. Beautiful place to be. Just paradise. Oh no, Isuzu. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Cruising. Keep them coming. We got the F250 here. Ooh, yeah. That's a sweet truck. Oh, yeah. Making it look easy. Yeah, I wonder how they do it. Every F truck I've seen here, I think, makes it look easy. And they're not necessarily on big tyres. They just seem to have it sorted. Raptors have it sorted. Well, most of the time. Another wild track. Plenty of wheel speed, plenty of sand flicking. Not a lot of momentum at the moment though, but he's just clawing his way through. See if we can get a bit of zoom happening there. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, he's got there. Build some momentum. Yeah, he should get around there. Sweet. Next up, we've got a Padge. Yeah, he'll be right. The Touareg getting it done for anyone that doubts them. They are capable. Piece of cake, he says. Magic. So old mate's just let me know there's like 7 cars. He's on the radio with someone on the other end. 7 cars down the other end, but there's still someone down there that's having trouble. They've had a few attempts and not getting through. So we'll see what happens. I might have to go and sort them out, help them through. But we'll see. Here comes one. One of 7. Let's see. 2 and 3. Easy coming down the hill. Number 4, Cruiser cruising. The kids in the back having a good time. Ew. Loving it. That's what it's all about.
I have this shit.
The burgundy.
Same.
The
My
Luxy.
body goes for the rest through these ones. That's down the road. Same.
All coming through. There's the Luxy. Oh, scrape something there. Yeah, piece of cake. Upper. Here's old mate. He's got less pressure in his tyres now, and he's making it through easy. I just recovered him. He was just here actually. He'd been there digging for probably about 20 minutes. I pulled someone through at the other end, probably more. And I come back through and there he was stuck. So helped him out and he got some tyre pressure dropped down and now he's sailing through easy. That's all it takes. He looked like he was doing so well, but he's just stuck up around the corner here. It's super soft up the top here, so if you don't carry enough momentum, you don't get through. Looks like his mate might be able to pull him backwards in the cruiser here. We've got the AE hooked up. Shouldn't take much of a snig to pull him back here, although it is pretty soft. Just tell them to chuck it into low range. Tell your mate to chuck it in low range. Come back forward, mate. No, 2 vehicles down and out now. I just missed the first few, but there's some cars lined up at the northern end to come through. It's all on here. Gotcha. So I'm just swatting flies here. Here we go. FJ coming through. Woofa. He's done well to avoid the humps. It's looking good. Looking good.
Good, keep it on. Flat.
She's nailed it.
Sounds good, send it.
Oof. Oh, this is going to launch. Oof. Oof. Go the patch. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Keep sending it. Keep going. Oh, mate's onto it. Yeah, we go. Sorted. Oh no, the page is going to get out and have a think about this. I think. Here comes the 79. Whoompa! Woof! Ew. Oh, that doesn't sound good. He's coming back. Into it again. Oof. Oh, he's still going. I think he's still going. Here comes the next. Oof. Oh, he's done. Oh no, he's done. He's down and out. Yeah.
On the orchard side.
Well, they took the sign down because of liability. Because if someone looks at the sign and they're on that channel and they call up, and then someone's not on the channel, and they call up from the other end, and neither of them get an answer. They both think it's clear. They both send it, have a head on, and they're liability. Well, it just means people go into it not knowing, and they know that they don't know. Whereas if you got a sign and you call up, then you think it's clear, so you send it harder. But really, I mean, anyone can Google the UHF channel list, and it's got 10 as the allocated channel for national parks, and so, but that don't Google it and know the channel 10 is the channel. It's the same number of people who don't know to deflate their tyres. You know what I mean? So. There's the patch for another hit after he's deflated some pressure out, making it look easy. Beautiful. What do we got here? A little Luxie. Old Luxie with the faded paint. That's the go. Yeah. Go the Luxie. There you go, the Troopy, the Povo Pack Troopy. Oof. Oof. That wasn't too bad, actually. Ngkala. Stoppers a rock Troopy. Making it look easy. Get that done. Into it. Upper. Yeah, Yeah, good stuff. Look at all the rubbish he's got on the back there. He's been picking up rubbish off the beach. What a legend. An absolute legend. Picking up all that rubbish. What a frickin' champion. An absolute frickin' champion. Been collecting rubbish off the beach. What an absolute frickin' legend. A big cruiser sending it through. The Bush Company. The Bush Company. They put out some good gear. Oof, oof. Gets him every time. Oh, he's slowing down. Still hearing revs though. No. No, he's going to bring it back. Give it another crack. What do you reckon he's doing wrong? Anyone watching? Put in the comments. What's he doing wrong? How come the other ones are getting through? My mate's reversing back down for another send. Is he going to make it? Yes, he's got it there this time. Here we go. We got a raptor coming through. Is it a raptor? Yeah, it is a raptor.
Yes, very.
Struggling.
Halfway up that hill.
Oh no. Oh no. We've got a few raptors down here. Now, normally raptors make things look easy, but what do you reckon these fellas are doing wrong? Why aren't they making it look easy? Upper. Ew. That didn't look too bad. What's his mate doing wrong?
Yeah, 37 next one. Hey, Dominic. Motorfield got no Zaka Stunika, Bruce for this school's going and he goes limbo.
What we got here? Normal Ranger. Oof. Oof. Into it. Oh. No, he doesn't have much speed there. What's this good dude?
Oh. He's coming up to give old mate a hand.
Oh, here we got the Raptor boys, eh? Oh, he's got him. Got him. Oh, that might do it for the Raptor. No, he's still got movement. Ranger here's making all the noise from the snorkel. That's got that no air filter sound to it. Yoink. Raptor's doing well. all the noises. Yeah, he had a Magna V6 with a turbo. I'd love to put people through for free all day, but you know. USB charger or?
Yeah, micro.
Sent it hard on those step ups. I think he's going to get through this time. He's got his tyres right down. I think I heard him say he put them down to 10, so he should be right. Lots of sand going on here. Oh! He's looking good, he'll get through. Bit of extra run up. This is going to launch. Wasn't too bad actually, he's got that good. Looking good, looking good. Yeah, that was there before. I'm sure of it. Here he goes. He's into it. He's coming up the side, trying to avoid the. No, he's onto him. Oof. Actually, it was pretty good. He's got all the whistle. Raptor's warning up.
What are you doing?
He's looking like he's going alright. I think I heard him say something on the radio before, something about limp mode.
Oh, don't then leave.
Oh, they got him hooked up.
No way.
With a non-stretch strap.
Bad, mate.
This is a, yeah. Everyone's getting out of the way. It's not going well. The Raptor says, "I'm not giving up." They've probably chewed $100 worth of fuel since I offered to pull them through for 100. Oh mate, the blue Raptor hasn't got out of his seat yet, has he? Not once.
Come down. There was two people pulling out.
I'll give him cred for the Aussie flag hanging out the window though. He wins points with me for that. Just look at this.
Well, you just wasted.
Oh!
Let's go.
lost all his momentum on those humps. Yeah, he had 2 attempts and I pulled him back. I helped him out, but then he still had too much pressure, so he dropped down to 10 and he was going to give it another go, but now this has happened. So that hot young girl that was here before, smoking hot little thing that was loitering around before, she was with them, so she came through to see if it was clear. Oh yeah, okay. You want to do that? Looking north towards Sandy Cape from the dune above Ngkala Rocks, South Rocks, Rocky Beach, Fraser Island. The colours are absolutely amazing. What a place. An absolutely beautiful place. This is why I'm here. This is why I call this place home.